Most people live their whole lives waiting for the perfect chance. But the truth is, there is no perfect chance. There's only now. Welcome to States of Ambition, the place where we push past limits and unlock the mindset of champions. If you're serious about growth, hit subscribe and let's step into a new level together. Let me ask you this. What's the real difference between someone who settles and someone who rises to the top? It's not about money, luck, or being born into the right family. It all comes down to mindset, the way you think, the way you handle challenges, the way you use your time. That's what separates the top 1% from the rest of the world. We all get the same 24 hours. Elon Musk, Bill Gates, and you. The question is, how do you use them? The top 1% don't waste time scrolling endlessly or getting stuck in gossip. They protect their focus like it's gold. Every decision, every choice is a building block toward their vision. Here's the truth. Success isn't about raw talent. It's not even about being the smartest in the room. It's about discipline and consistency. The 1% mindset is showing up when you don't feel like it, doing the work when no one is watching, pushing forward when no one believes in you. Most people want the prize without the process. They dream of the lifestyle but avoid the grind. The 1% embrace the struggle because they know every setback is training ground for the next breakthrough. Think of a bamboo tree. For years, you water it, nurture it, and see nothing. No visible growth. Most people would quit. But if you stay consistent, suddenly, it shoots up almost 90 feet in a matter of weeks. That's how growth works. The effort you put in today may not show results tomorrow, but it's building your foundation. Underground, one day it will explode into success. Success is not one big leap. It's the sum of small daily choices, waking up early instead of hitting snooze, reading instead of scrolling, saying no to distractions so you can say yes to your future. Those tiny choices compound into extraordinary results. And here's another truth. The 1% fail more than the 99%. Why? Because they try more. They take risks. They aren't afraid to stumble because they see failure as feedback, not a final chapter. The 1% mindset is also about clarity. They know what they want. They have a vision. They aren't waiting for someone to give them permission. They create opportunities instead of waiting for them. And let's be real. It's not about money alone. It's about becoming the best version of yourself in every role you play: parent, partner, leader, creator. It's about living a life that inspires others and leaves behind a legacy. Discipline, resilience, ownership, these aren't fancy words. They're daily habits, getting up one more time than you fall, choosing sacrifice today. For rewards tomorrow, refusing to let excuses define you. So here's the question you have to answer. Are you going to stay in the 99% or step up and claim your place in the 1%? The choice is yours. No one is coming to save you. You have the power, the time, and the ability, but only if you act. If this message speaks to you, don't just sit back. Take your first step today. And if you're ready to join a community that refuses to settle, hit subscribe to States of Ambition. Because here, we don't wait for life to happen. We make it happen. Stay hungry, stay ambitious, and I'll see you in the next one.